Hi guys, welcome to this part of our course where we're gonna cover on where we could distribute all the creations that we have done using Lens Studio. So obviously every single software will have their own like support team, which I've covered in the past, right? In the previous video. However, there is a there's a great platform in Reddit where you can actually look for the creators that and some inspiration from them, or maybe you could even ask for some ideas from them, so that maybe you want to ask them to create something by giving them an idea, things like that. So it's a very like engaging group in Reddit. So I'm gonna like go to the subreddit here, and you can see there's almost like 139,000 members, and I'm not joining here because I'm not logged in, but I'll just click on this for now. And here's the thing, so obviously right, if you're using Reddit for like few years, you definitely know the rules and stuff like that. But here's the thing, people will be like sharing their creation almost all the time here. That is why whenever if you create your land, and if you look at the metrics themselves, you will see like sometimes you will get like 300,000 like views, or maybe 200,000 views. One of the lenses that we created in the past, it's called the Nun, right? So we created in conjunction with the Conjuring, and it wasn't in the it was actually in conjunction with the Nun, the movie The Nun, right? So when we created that, we decided to actually share around. So one of the platform that we shared was Reddit themselves, because this is a platform for all the creators. There will be a combination of official Lens creators as well as creators around the world. So these people will be here who will be like giving some comments, maybe they're sharing with their friends, things like that. So it's a very engaging platform. And obviously when you go scroll down, right, you will see that they will be like sharing all those creations here. You can definitely look at the comments, you can share those things. And one of the things that I've done in the past is basically went to this video, and I'll just like share this video from this platform, and I tell people, hey, there's a great idea here on other platforms, right? I'll just share this video on maybe Instagram or maybe Twitter, things like that. And obviously there will be some people who will be asking questions over here. Okay, see, for example, can someone please make a twerking Thanos lens, right? So this like someone asking like the creators in this platform to create something because they have an idea. Maybe they are not sure how to make it, or maybe they know there will be some people who are great in making lenses. So they just ask the question here, and you will be seeing maybe in the next couple of months or maybe in weeks, someone will be creating that. So that's about it for this subreddit, and I hope as soon as after you start creating lenses, do join this subreddit and make sure you share, answer questions, or maybe sometimes you'll have some ideas that you want others to make. Do make this group as effective as possible for yourself. All right, hope you guys learned in this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.